In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check someone's birthday on LinkedIn. Navigating social platforms can sometimes be a bit tricky, so I'll be guiding you step by step to make this process as seamless as possible. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type LinkedIn.com and hit enter. This will take you straight to LinkedIn's homepage. If you're not logged in yet, this is your cue to sign in. You can do this easily by using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the LinkedIn feed where you can start navigating the site. It's worth mentioning that if you have two-factor authentication set up, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your identity at this point. You'll receive a code on your registered phone number, which you need to enter to proceed. While it might seem like an additional step, it's an important measure to keep your account secure. Now that you are logged in, the next step is to locate the profile of the person whose birthday you're curious about. Head to the search bar at the top of the LinkedIn page and type in their name. From the search results, select their profile to view a variety of information about them. You'll be looking for the contact info section, which is usually tucked within the introduction section of the profile. It might take a bit of scrolling, so just take your time to explore the profile carefully. Once you spot the contact info button, go ahead and click on it. This will open a pop-up window with additional details that the individual has chosen to share. If the person has made their birthday visible to their connections, it will be listed under the birthday entry in this window. It's important to remember that adding a birthday is optional on LinkedIn, so not everyone will have this information displayed. If the information is available, you can jot it down and maybe even set a reminder to send them your best wishes when their special day arrives. With these steps, you should be able to successfully check for a birthday on LinkedIn. However, if you run into any issues or find that the birthday isn't displayed, it's likely due to LinkedIn's privacy settings, which allow users to control what personal details they choose to share. And that's perfectly fine. Privacy is an essential part of the social media space.